The Eternal Guardians of Solara. Introduction. Long ago, in the land of Solara, a world bathed in golden light and abundant life, there existed an ancient prophecy. It foretold of a great reckoning, a time when darkness would rise to consume the land, and only the Eternal Guardians, chosen by fate, could restore balance. These guardians, each blessed with unique powers, would embark on a perilous journey to awaken the Heart of Solara, a sacred relic said to hold the essence of light and life itself. This is the story of their quest, a tale of courage, unity, and the undying power of hope. Part 1. The Gathering of the Guardians. In the bustling city of Luminous, the Oracle of Solara receives a vision, the awakening of an ancient darkness beneath the shadow peaks. She calls upon the chosen ones, scattered across the land, to unite. Kael, the flame bearer, a blacksmith with the power to summon fire. Kael's heart burns with a desire to protect his people. Lyra, the whispering wind, a nomadic healer who can command the winds. She has a deep connection with nature. Eira, the frost keeper, a warrior from the northern glaciers. She wields the power of ice and embodies unyielding resolve. Darian, the stone sentinel, a humble farmer with the ability to control the earth. He is the pillar of strength and compassion. Despite their differences, the Guardians heed the Oracle's call, journeying to the ancient city of Solaris to prepare for their destiny. Part 2. The Trial of Unity. Before embarking on their quest, the Guardians must pass the trial of unity in the Labyrinth of Harmony. Each trial tests their ability to work together. Kael and Eira must overcome their fiery temperaments to navigate a chamber of shifting flames and frost. Lyra and Darian, opposites in personality, must trust each other to cross a ravine using only a fragile bridge of vines. In the final chamber, they face their fears, witnessing visions of their failures and doubts. Only by encouraging one another can they break free. Emerging from the labyrinth, the Guardians are granted a fragment of the Solarian gem, a key to awakening the Heart of Solara. Part 3. The Journey Through Shadows. The Guardians travel across treacherous landscapes, from the enchanted forest of illusions to the desolate wastelands of echoes. Along the way, they face trials that challenge their resolve. The sirens of doubt, spirits that prey on their insecurities, attempting to sow division among the group. The Obsidian Spire, a fortress ruled by the Shadowlord, a powerful sorcerer bent on corrupting the Heart of Solara. Despite their struggles, the Guardians grow closer, their bond becoming their greatest weapon against the darkness. Part 4. The Awakening of the Heart. Reaching the Heart of Solara, the Guardians discover it encased in a cocoon of darkness. To awaken it, they must channel their powers in harmony. Kael's fire ignites the light within. Lyra's winds carry the light to all corners of Solara. Eira's ice stabilizes its energy. Darian's earth anchors the heart, preventing it from shattering. As they unite their powers, the heart awakens, unleashing a wave of golden light that banishes the darkness and restores life to the land. Part 5. A New Dawn. With Solara saved, the Guardians are hailed as heroes, but they understand that their journey was not about individual glory. It was about the strength found in unity and the courage to face challenges together. They leave the Heart of Solara in the care of the Oracle, vowing to protect the land whenever it is needed. The story of the Eternal Guardians becomes a legend, a reminder that light will always triumph over darkness when hearts unite. Moral of the story: unity, trust, and hope are the keys to overcoming even the greatest challenges. Together, we are stronger than we are apart.